morning, guys. Okay, so today I thought I would film my morning routine for you for work. I'm in between semesters, so I don't have any homework to do this morning, so it is strictly my work morning routine. But I just woke up, I'm about to hop in the shower. I need to clean this mop. I look a little crazy right now, so I'm gonna go ahead and hop in the shower.
So I don't shower every single morning, but this morning I needed to wash my hair. It had been like second or third day hair and it was time. But if I work out in the evenings, I usually will save my shower until after work. But today we're doing a shower in the morning. So I just hopped in and did a quick wash of my body, my hair, and my face. I usually will skip shaving and exfoliating in the morning just because I am a little bit more in a hurry to get to work. So just a quick 10-15 minute shower. And then I will get out, get comfy, and start my breakfast.
Okay, so I just got out of the shower, put my hair up in my towel, and I'm wearing just these shorts from North Face, I think. Yeah, and then the sweatshirt is from Target, I think. So today I just think I'm gonna have some avocado toast. It's really simple, and I don't really feel like cooking anything, so I'm just gonna go ahead and whip that up real quick, eat it. I also need to make some coffee. Girl's gotta have her coffee.
So like I said, today I decided I really wanted some avocado toast. Now this is so similar to the breakfast with the oatmeal and the eggs that I made because I literally put like the same toppings on top of it. I have other avocado toast recipes though, and if you guys would like to see a video on that, let me know because I feel like that'd be fun to make. But basically I just cut a jumbo avocado in half and I used one of the halves for both slices of bread that I had toasted for about 3 to 4 minutes. Then I put some everything bagel seasoning on them, just like in my what I eat in a day with the oatmeal and the eggs. And then I also put some sriracha. And this is just a really quick and delicious breakfast. I love it. Healthy fats, good carbs, and it really fills you up. I, of course, could not forget my ice water, so I'm just getting some filtered ice water out of the fridge and popping in my reusable metal straw.
So I'm just chilling on the couch with my food and my water, and then after I'll make some coffee. I'm just gonna watch an episode of How to Get Away with Murder and enjoy my breakfast, and then I'm also gonna make a grocery list for the store while I'm sitting here. Usually on my mornings, I will either work out, do homework, or run errands. Today happens to be a running errands day. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast and then get to doing all my errands.
I've been super obsessed with How to Get Away with Murder lately. I just finished Imposters a few weeks ago and started this show, and it is so freaking good. I don't know how I haven't seen it before. I asked you guys for so many show recommendations on Instagram, so shout out to you guys who responded, and if you don't follow me, you totally should. But after I am done eating, I just go ahead and grab my coffee. I love to have my coffee after I eat and after I drink water, just so I'm not like chugging it because I'm like thirsty in the morning, and I feel like drinking water right away is better for you. So I just went ahead and made my coffee. I measured out my creamer just like in my What I Eat in a Day video, which I'll link down below, and I just sat and enjoyed my coffee. Now, I don't do this every morning. Sometimes I have to drink this while I'm getting ready, but today I had a little bit more time. So another thing I always do every single morning is make my bed, and this just makes sure that I don't get back in my bed. I feel like it makes my room look so clean, and I just feel way more productive when I make my bed.
Okay, now that my bed's made, my room is clean, I've had breakfast, I am going to go ahead and grab my reusable bags and then head to the grocery store. I need to do this quick because I need to get ready soon for work.
So like I was saying earlier, typically if I have some time in the mornings, which I always usually get up early so that I can get some stuff done before work, since after work I'm like dead and just want to go to bed, I will either run errands, do homework, or go to the gym. Today I needed to go to the grocery store. I'll link down below my latest grocery haul. If you guys haven't seen it, you should totally check it out. I kind of did a shop with me at this grocery store, and it is awesome. I'm really proud of that video. But yeah, today I needed to pick up some food, so that was my task of the day before work, and I just grabbed kind of like a week's worth of groceries. And then I went ahead and just headed home. It's time to get ready. Of course, when I got home, I had to put all my groceries away. Guys, if you don't use reusable bags at the grocery store, you definitely need to. It makes it so much easier when you're carrying your stuff in from your car, especially if you live in an apartment, because I only have like 2 bags and that's it. It just makes it so much easier.
Okay, so I'm gonna start getting ready for work. I always put my hair up because I do my makeup first and then my hair. I just washed my face and I'm about to moisturize and use my jade roller. If you guys haven't seen my skincare routine, I'll link it down below. I just posted it and I talked about how to use the jade roller and all of the products I use on my face. that have really kept it clear and super just hydrated and nice. If you guys want to see that, I'll link it on the screen and down below. I literally just did it. I'm using the Belief Aqua Bomb moisturizer, and I use this every morning and night. And then I'm just going to use my jade roller. Again, in my skincare video, I talked about how I jade roll and everything, so you can go check it out there if you would like.
So like I said, I will move on to my makeup after my skincare routine, and I keep it pretty simple every day and kind of do the same thing, just basic face makeup with a little bit of contour, blush, and a highlight, and then I do like a natural eye look. Sometimes I smoke it out a little bit with like regular liner. I did pencil liner instead of liquid today, or I'll do liquid. It kind of depends on my mood, but that's it.
So now that I'm done with my makeup, I always move on to my hair, and I wanted to show you guys what I do with my hair, what I put in my hair, because I really love these products, and I feel like I don't share a lot about hair, but I am very passionate about all the products I use. So this is the Moroccan Oil Hydrating Styling Cream. I just put 2 pumps of this into my hair. You can do it damp or dry, and I love the smell of it, and it also just makes my hair feel really nice and look really shiny. So that's the shine that you can see right now. So it's a little bit damp still. I'm going to quickly run my blow dryer through it and then move on to styling it. So I'm going to curl my hair today. I pretty much curl my hair most days for work just because it's easy, and it's the quickest and easiest thing for me to do because I can leave it for like 3 days and just touch it up for 5, maybe 10 minutes in the morning, and my hair will be like good for work. So like today I close, but tomorrow morning I have to be there pretty early at work, so that way I don't really have to do much the next day. I'm just using the Remington wand. I got this at Target for like 30 bucks or 40 bucks like a few years ago. I'll link it down below for y'all. And then to style my hair, I also use a straightener as well. I've pretty much been styling my hair the same for years. So I do my hair in like 2 or 3 sections because it's super freaking thick, which I feel like it doesn't look that thick, but I just have so much hair, it's ridiculous. I got this clip from Sally's. These are my favorite for styling your hair. And then I start from the back and work my way forward. So just take about that much hair, wrap it around and away from my face. And then I kind of hold the curl for a second to let it cool and then drop it. And you guys have seen probably on my Instagram pictures and all that in my videos, I like pretty loose, like beachy curls. And then this one I wrapped towards me, so I kind of alternate curls away and towards my face until I get towards the front, and then at the very front they all are faced outwards because I just feel like that looks the best and like frames my face the best. Okay, so I just finished the bottom layer of my hair, alternating curls, and it kind of ends up like this. Then I'll just go ahead and take down the top, make sure my part looks good, and then I kind of just brush out the top so that there's no tangles. And then I get little waves and stuff here, and it's just not perfectly like straight. So towards the top of my hair, I'll take my straightener and like just straighten a little bit where there's like some kinks. I have like a cowlick in the back right here, and I just kind of straighten that slightly. So now I'll just go ahead and I curl the rest just like I did the bottom half, and then I'll finish off with hairspray. I just finished curling my hair, and this is kind of what it comes out like, and now I need to go ahead and set it with hairspray. So another Moroccan Oil product. I know it's surprising, but no, they're like my favorite hair care brand. I use their shampoo and conditioner and literally all these products that I'm showing you. They also have really good sunscreens and like body products if you're wondering. But I'm gonna set my hair with this. This is just their luminous hairspray, and I love how shiny it makes my hair. I feel like my hair just looks so healthy and nice, which is great. Like using all of these products because everything provides like a luminosity, but it's not greasy. I love the smell. That's honestly why I use all of their products, because they all smell the same, and like I'm addicted to the smell. I could not pinpoint what exactly it smells like. It just smells like the Moroccan Oil product. So that's pretty much it for my hair and makeup. This hairstyle gets looser obviously as the day goes on, and then it can last for up to 3 or 4 days, which is really nice and why I do it. And I feel like my hair has gotten so much longer. So this is what it looks like. So now that my hair and makeup and everything is done and I am finished getting ready, I'm gonna throw on some deodorant, put my shoes on, grab my work bag, and head out the door.
Of course, you can't forget hygiene, so I just went ahead, brushed my teeth, threw on some deodorant, and a little bit of perfume.
Alright, so I am fully ready for work. I just got my bag. This is a huge bag. It's from the Impeccable Pig, which is the store that I work at. They have an online shop though, so you can go see if they still have this bag. I don't know, they always have huge bags on their website, and I just take this to work with a pair of shoes, different bras, stuff like that, because I change at work, so I'm just wearing my comfy clothes straight to work. But I have got to get going so I'm not late, but I'll show you guys my OOTD at work.
So I always dress super comfy to work, that way I can change and do it directly after work on my way home. And once I got to work, I decided on this gray toned snake print dress. My heels are from Steve Madden, and then everything else is from the Impeccable Pig, so my jewelry and the dress. I will link it down below if I can find it on their website. I know this is brand new, so it should be there, but that is my work outfit of the day.
Happy Saturday, guys. So I realized I never ended the video, but I hope you guys enjoyed my work morning routine. I'm actually about to get ready for work now again, but give it a big thumbs up if you did. If you're new here, you should definitely hit the subscribe button and join the fam. I make new videos every Wednesday and Saturday now, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.